Hello and welcome back everybody. So how you can customize your performance option in Windows 11. So how we can do that? Okay. So first of all, click on start bar and you can search here setting or direct open the setting icon. Okay. So click on setting icon and now go to system and slide down, click on about. Okay. And now you can see there are some options, so click on advanced system settings. Okay, and now you can see there are some advanced system settings. You can see performance, visual effects, process, schedule, memory uses and virtual memory. Okay, so click on settings and here you can see there are some of settings. Okay, the default setting is let Windows choose what's best for my computer. Okay, and the second option is adjust for best appearance, and third option is adjust for best performance. If you want perform better in better performance, you have to select this. Okay, adjust for the best performance. Okay, so select the, if you select the best appearance, when I check, everything will check here. Okay, when I unselect this one, adjust for best performance, the all the features and other things are going to uncheck here. Okay, just like animation and fade and shadow or other things. Yeah, these all little bit tasks are unchecked. Okay, and you just have to apply and okay, and this will make your computer very faster than before. Okay, so that's it for today and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for being here, and if you like this video, please subscribe this channel.